Dia vivo direto voor de Universidad di Aruba, caminho para o rato de open house que vai tomar lugar dia 23 de março. Bom dia, nome quando nós aqui vai tomar lugar.
Sim, bom dia. Meu nome é Jonathan Trinidad, eu formo parte do time de Social Work and Development. A minha é praticamente para pôr uma informação, para mim dar uma introdução chiquito, dia 23 de março, para 6 horas da tarde, nós sabemos open dag aqui na Universidade de Aruba, de todas as diferentes faculdades. A mim mesmo formando parte de Social Work and Development, tem algum caminho também, hobby inspirativo também para o estudante não cuta mira sabe como profissão de trabalhador social e me quer saber também bom entro para mim passa a palavra de viajar para Clemência que eu explico pouco mais de caminho e também nos meta com vou bisa estúdio aqui de trabalhador social.
So Clemencia, bom dia. Tell us about this day open for the people who want to know more from the social worker.
So, bon dia, bon dia. Social Work and Development Program took a break for 1 year and we are coming back. And some of the changes we can expect are actually embedded in our new theme, which is empowering lives, transforming communities. So we have one big change is that the language, previously it was in English, but now we've made the pedagogical decision that the language of instruction will be multilingual. So it will be in Dutch, in Papiamento, in English, and in Spanish. Some of the new courses we have included this year, for example, is mental health and addiction. We also have a course on social work in human resource departments. We also have a course on gender equality, and we have many other exciting electives that students can choose from.
How big is the working from the social working in Aruba?
The social landscape in Aruba is in need of a lot of more prevention work and a lot of intervention work as well in order to improve the quality of lives of children, of individuals, of families, and of neighborhoods. So we have actually changed the program to respond to the current social landscape in Aruba.
The COVID was a challenge for this courses?
Absolutely. Because of the remnant of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have mental health as one of the problems that continue to lag on after COVID. And it is for this reason we have included a course on mental health and addiction. However, in the other courses, for example, with children and families, social work with youth, social work with older persons, we will also address the mental health issues that are predominant with those different age groups.
For a person who wants to work in social working, how hard have to the attitude have to stay hard for any case that can confront in the case of social working?
That's a very good question, and I'll answer it in two ways. In order to become a competent practicing social worker, you need to be very aware of yourself, and you need to be able to have done your own transformative work, so that when you have been able to embrace your own sense of who you are and have dealt with your own issues, then you become kind of develop the mental muscle that you need to be able to work with other people. So one of the most important attitude is that of empathy, to be able to sit in the shoes of the participants that you work with. And to be able to do that and to do that well, you have to be able to understand yourself, have some modicum of self-love, know who you are, and have dealt with your issues. Not that they will all go away, but you are aware so as to avoid projecting your inadequacies and your issues onto the people, the clients, the communities that you work with. So it does require some kind of mental muscle, but self-muscle.
The people is welcome 23 March.
Yes, we want to invite all students and all young people, those who are not too young, who are interested in their professional development, but more so they are interested in transforming their own lives and transforming Aruba for a better quality of life. Social Work and Development is the program. So come join us 23rd of March. We will be welcome to share with you all the information that you need to know so that you can move a step forward in your own professional and career development.
Thank you. Dames e conversar com o senhor decano, bom dia. Meneer seu nome e conta nos party para dia 23 de março.
Ja, bom dia a toerende. Mijn naam is Paul van Dormaal, met de decano die Financieel-Economische Faculteit, of naar Engels Faculty for Finance and Control. Ja, nós está invitar toerende para visitar-nos dia 23 de março, 6 horas à tarde. Nós apresentar nosso programa de Financieel-Economische Faculteit. E ora tem pergunta, dus é interessado não por fazer e pergunta na nós e estudantes também.
Quando vai indo com o estúdio aqui, como se desenvolve novo sobre cada profissão que conhece coisa novo último ano.
Ja, sim, tem desenvolvido um novo den estúdio aqui. E sobre a profession de bedrijfseconomen. Het cambia também, não?
Em que sentido?
Ja, dus nosso programa cambia den sentido que nós tabira mais práticos, ja? Oder na estudanten anta queda klaar, que na Financieel-Economische Faculteit, que na bachelor program de 4 anos, nanta klaar para trabalhar em uma companhia. Dus nós nota hobby teoretisch mais, pero mais práticos. E ora estudanten aan te começar den een companhia como manager of den een banco of den een accountantskantoor of den dan met een companhia dan sa con pahasie trabalho, no? Dus no solamente theoretische kennis, maar dan por começar com een onderzoek of een project. Het echt de focus nobo die financiële economische faculteit of naar Engels Faculty for Finance and Control.
Dus in pouco palavras, menos boekie, mais teoria.
Correcto. Ja, menos boekie, mais prática. Nós daarbij tragen rond beroepsproducten. Zitten assignments para nos estudanten aan. E estudanten dan meester riba assignments. En dan te worden juda door theorie en vaardigheden. Pero por cabaco beroepsproduct, dat is focus die nos studenten. Ja.
Que idade boa idade para começar o curso? Porta 18, porta 19, porta 40, mais ou menos que idade?
Toer hen het welkom, pero nos tien toelatingseisen. Hen die kutabin voor die HAVO, dan ons main focusgroep. Oder na cabaco wiskunde, economie of bedrijfseconomie. Het is te zeggen, dos die etres staan. Ja? Nos também tien hopi instroom, bom instroom, excellente instroom die EPI. En nos também tien instroom, sempre toch 10% die hebben een co-studia VWO. Oder tien interessado dan, tien een otro degree. Dan por bin, cerca nos, cerca universiteit, dan por aplicar para FEF. En nos daar een valuation die diploma. Dus eigenlijk bin oder bota interessa, bin cerca nos daar waxi requisito dan in place.
Se não que também dia 23, mas se bem copia de diploma na aqui.
No, 23 está dia para informação, no? Exchange of information. E ora dan keer schrijf in, nos lo explica dan que fecha ultimo fecha para doen diploma, etc. Ja.
Dank je.
Ja, you're welcome.
Let me call you welcome, welcome to my island. We say bombini, so put on your douchey smile. While we say bombini, curasa, bombini, maracatushi ponsa. Está bombini, curasa, bombini, welcome to the song that you want and the beaches you need. Bombini, everything right here in Curacao, Curacao, bombini, welcome to all.